Hello everyone, myself Vedant, and today is December 10. So let's start with today's crypto analysis. Firstly, if you see Bitcoin on the daily time frame, it just closed a good bullish candle. Also trying to break the previous swing high, but it again failed to sustain above the level. Let's see if it crosses it up or just reverses from this level again. Uh, if we consider on the 4 hour time frame, it's just selling's getting weaker and weaker and weaker. So also on this analysis, we planned some buy trades right here, and just after a few hours, it just got hit our targets really well. And uh, again, also we could mark this as important level for selling. If the price again taps this level and makes us some entry for selling, we could plan some sells. And if it goes, okay, so it's not working. So we were planning for some uh, confirmation for buying here, but it failed to make a good pattern for buying, so we are not buying it again at these levels. So let's see if it where it goes. It's right now on a very crucial level where it has no uh, bias or direction for where it has to go further, as uh, it is failing to sustain above and not able to go down even. So let's see where it breaks. Either it breaks this previous high or this previous low. Accordingly, we could plan up some trades further in the Bitcoin. So that's it for Bitcoin. Coming on to Ethereum. Ethereum on the daily time frame is more bullish than Bitcoin right now. Okay, so on daily time frame, it closed a good bullish candle, crossing the previous highs as well, showing more bullishness. Also, it's on a higher high, higher low, means bullish structure. Really good for Ethereum. Also, it formed a kind of double bottom pattern before on the 4 hour time frame as well. Okay, so it's sustaining above this previous swing high, and it's a really good indication for the Ethereum. If it sustains it well, it could continue upside further. Okay, so we planned up a trade right here on the Ethereum as well, and just for the reason it was changing its structure to bullish, and the lower low to higher low was formed, and the higher high was also formed, and uh, as a result we planned a buy trade, and that's how it went. It just smashed the target in just one single freaking candle. And if you could you have hold this trade, uh, it might got you with 1:6 hour as well. So that's insane for a swing trade. Uh, so for now, if we see the price is accumulating right now, right here. Just a second. So if it wants to go from this level, it we could plan up some risky buying trade right here only, targeting the new high of 1:3 minimum. And again, it could be a risky trade as it's already really bullish, but going with the trend is what we do. So uh, you could plan up this trade and uh, manage your risk accordingly. Also, I was planning for Bitcoin as well, but Bitcoin is looking bit weak, so we are not planning of buying in Bitcoin for now. Coming on to XRP, XRP on the daily time frame closed a bit bullish candle, but having a really big rejection from upside, showing weakness as well uh, accordingly. And what happened to this RRs? Forget. So if you see, it's currently on a lower low pattern, which states it's bearish. So okay, it's bearish, and right now, on the 4 hour, it's trying to form a double bottom pattern formation, and uh, let's see if it reverses from this level or just continues downside, as the market is bearish for now. And okay, and no uh, structure is being formed right now in XRP as well. So no formal trades would be marked at all. And this was our last trade, which went break even, as I told you yesterday. It was just such that it if it had to go, it would had gone from this level only. So as it was showing so much of weakness in selling, so I exited it on somewhat break even only. And this was the scene after exiting. It just went out well upside, getting our stop losses if we have held this trade. Okay, so for now, this is the level for selling. We could possibly see if the price comes and taps this level, we could look for sells, and no further bias right now. So yes, this is the possible major level for reversal of XRP, the possible swing high. And um, this could be marked as a supply zone for it. Okay, yes, that's it. Uh, Coming on to BNB on the daily time frame. BNB on the daily time frame closed a zero body candle, and it just closed itself with potential wicks upside, and showed a massive rejection from a crucial level maybe. And okay, yes, so it was a supply zone which it tried to break through but failed to sustain totally, and the smash reversed back quickly. And also this was a trade running which got stopped out, and again it went down, so no worries for that. uh okay, so this trade is out now. Again, if we see on the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour, uh so on the 1 hour, it's trying to form a double top pattern, as it just tapped our level and again went going down from this level and not sustaining above this previous swing high breakout. So it's showing the weakness in the BNB coin, and till it breaks and sustains above it, it's bearish or kind of retracing or consolidating at this level. So that's it for BNB. Let's see if it breaks it downside or not, or we won't be planning any trade for now on this consolidation level for BNB. Okay, coming on to Solana. Solana on the daily time frame closed a good bullish candle with a potential wake upside, showing good rejection from this supply zone, showing the consolidation is going on right now in this range. as we said, we won't be planning any trade. And the consolidations or really less quantity trades with just uh, less risk rewards would be planned as like these. It was just a liquidity sweep and just continuation of this consolidation was seen, and it went really well and got us within targets. So yes, again it tapped this supply zone or the selling zone, and again went down very well, and so s- so this level is having a massive selling potential. And okay, so let's see where the price goes, if it breaks this previous swing or just continues downside. So yes, let's see where the price breaks. Right now it's in a consolidation phase, so no trade could be planned. Okay, so heading on to Dogecoin. Dogecoin on the daily time frame, if we consider, it is just consolidating again, and on the daily time frame it closed a good bullish candle as well, getting a rejection from upside similarly as previous coins, but it's below its major selling or supply zone, so it shows it's more weaker. Okay, so we have marked with all the major levels, and this is the consolidation right now going on in between these levels only. So if I say this is the level and this is a consolidation going on, and it's clearly visible. Okay, so this was a good setup performed on the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, but it just um, went really quick, or the very big candles were formed, so we just ignored the setup as after the closing of these big candles, planning any reversal trade is potentially very risky, and uh, directly selling from this level is, or this time, is really risky. So we have just ignored this trade, and let's see for some good setup formations further. For now it's not as it's just consolidating, so we are not planning any trade for now. So that's it for Dogecoin as well. I hope you like the analysis. That's it for today. Let's meet tomorrow with new analysis, and thank you so much.